Hello everyone, Assalam alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today at Thaazpassion, let's prepare a refreshing drink, that is lemonade. Check out the ingredients. Let's get started. For this, I am taking 3 lemon, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 10 to 15 fresh mint leaves. We need 1 cup of ice cubes. First, squeeze the lemon. Take 2 glasses of water in a jar. Add the lemon juice into it. Add mint leaves and sugar. Add ice cubes. Now blend it in a high speed for 1 to 2 minutes. Our lemonade is ready. Let's serve this in a serving glass. Decorate it with the mint leaves, or you can serve as it is. Serve this refreshing drink immediately after you prepare. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the next notification. Thanks for watching.